The group of stocks that's in focus today is the Adani Group of companies, of course, and Adani Enterprises out of them, is standing out because we've seen as to how the fundamental triggers are also there here. Currently, if we see the stock is up over 6% in trade today. In fact, since the Hindenburg case, it's up around 113%. So this, takes us to a question whether a re-rating is required here or not, because right now the potential upside that Bloomberg consensus is suggesting is around 19%. In terms of what are the key fundamental triggers that we are looking at when it comes to Adani Enterprises, the first one is with regards to the Adani Airport, where Navi Mumbai Airport is set to commence operations from Q2 of FY26. The Mumbai Airport, in fact, has received a positive tariff order that provides clarity up to FY29, and this not just includes the airport part of business, but the non-airport side of business as well, which is going to develop the city side and will be a key to unlock value of around 657 acres of land that is in possession as well. In terms of the Adani New Industries, for this particular company, it starts as India's first off-grid 5 megawatt green hydrogen plant. Going forward, wind turbine business has also received first external order of 300 megawatt, and construction of additional 6 gigawatt module capacity progressing is also as scheduled. And plus, the solar PV modules, wind turbines will also feed into Adani Green's business as well. In terms of the Adani Road Transport, the 3 hybrid annuity model projects are more than 90% complete now. In terms of the Ganga Expressway, even the construction for this has crossed around 85% mark. The defense side of business which Adani has, companies, unmanned drones are already being utilized by the defense forces. With regards to this segment, revenue stood at around 1650 crore and EBITDA stood at around 400 odd crore. In terms of the Adani copper business, they've commissioned a smelter at the copper segment, and in terms of this particular counter, they expect full stabilization from Q3 FY26. The other one is the coal to PVC business, where the project is set to be commissioned in a phased manner over FY28 to 29. Lastly, the data center business. This is where they have a JV with EdgeConneX, a global data center operator. Here, Noida data center MEP works is in progress. The Hyderabad data center phase 2 MEP works is around 72% complete, and Pune data center phase 1 works at 85% complete. So this is the these are the various businesses that Adani Enterprises into, and the key fundamental triggers going forward as well. Kunal, any of these counters from the entire Adani group of companies where you're seeing significant momentum coming in and that you're liking on the charts?
I think one stock which I would like to highlight over here from that space would be Adani Enterprise. The stock had went to a decent correction, and now we are seeing the base formation has got completed, and the immediate resistance for the stock on the upside is at 2700, and once that is taken out, then you start with a new bull run for the stock where it can go towards 3000. So still one strong resistance at 2700, but I think that will be taken out and then the stock will be ready towards 3000.